Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and welcome to a 1/64 scale video. As you can see here, I have the closed box. Well, it was closed. I checked for a chase, and there's no chase. This is the 1/64 Kings of Crunch Series 10. So this is not a new one. This is an older set, but since I didn't have it, I decided to get it. So yeah, it comes with 6 monster trucks in here. So let's get into it. I will show what it's inside, and then I'll pause and cut them open, and then we can check them out closer. So first of all, we have this 1987 GMC Sierra Classic with the design Kodiak on it. Looking very nice. That'll be one. Then next up, we have the 1979 Ford F-250 with the PA Mountain Monster design. Nice. Next up would be the 1987 Chevy Silverado with the Mad Crusher design. It has this like yellow and green style to it. Okay. Next up, we have the 1993 Ford F-250, the Crimson Crusher 2. It's a little bit more of a modern truck comparing to the other ones. And our fifth one is the 1987 Chevy Silverado Wasted Wages, which I really dig this casting really much. And our sixth one will be the 1979 Ford F-250 War Master, which is very design is kind of weird, but it's fine. Okay, let me get this box away. I don't know, use this as a somewhat a thumbnail or something. I don't know. Can't fit this anyway in here, so in the picture, so in the screen, or I can't speak. So I'll pause. I'll cut these open, and we can check them out closer. So I am back. All of the packaging has been cut open. So first of all, we're gonna start with the Chevy Silverado. We'll see which has like metal base or not, which has a lean to them or whatever. Oh, that's a shine. Very shiny. So for the looks of it, it has no lean as much, slightly to the back. The base for this one is plastic. And here's your details. The engine's also slightly crooked. Mad Crusher. Now this one has the empty bed, so there's nothing in there. So this one's pretty basic, besides the hood, where you can see the exhaust coming there, or whatever they are, and the blower. That's basically it for this one. Roll test. Rolls perfectly. No issues whatsoever. We need to park these with 2 spots. Okay, next up would be the War Master. So this one has an interesting design. We have a tire that has slipped slightly off the rim, which is an easy fix. Just need to pull it to one side slightly and it will be fine. Yes. Same goes for this one. This one's also slightly out and off. And it's mostly fine. So, quality checks. Front has no lean. The back has no lean. We have the covered back, which is plastic. We have the roll bars with the fog lights on the top. We have the winch bumper for the front. This one is plastic base. Some issues with the wheels. That is the only quality issue with this model. Everything else looks perfectly fine to me. So there we go. Roll wise, yeah, it has that bit of a wobble just because of the wheels, like I said. Okay, there we go. And next up, wasted wages. So this one has a bit of a lean to the left. And no lean for the back. This one has the opened back with the long, like extended roll cage for the back. We have the triple like line, like of the triple, I forgot what's it called, the triple roll cage or something, I don't know. Fog lights on the roof. The hood is a bit loose on this guy, but they don't open, I can tell you that. Well, let's check the wheels. It has a plastic base. It looks like the back one could be a little bit adjusted or something. But overall, this one looks pretty nice. Oh no, it rolls perfectly. No wobbles or anything. So that would be number 3. Okay, next up is the PA Mountain Monster. Okay. So this one right off the bat, I can see it has a lean to it to the left also, for the front at least, and for the back it's straight. So it's not that horrible. This one looks like it's very close. The wheels are very close. Let's pull one side a little bit out. Yes, now it rolls better. Comes with a plastic base. This one has a very... The tire is really off the rim. There we go, come on. Okay, that's one tire fix. This one has multiple tire issues. Okay, now it's fixed. At least it should be. And everything looks fine. Yeah. This one's pretty basic. It has the closed back, has the short little roll cage for the back. It does roll very well. I think these two are basically the same one, it's just that with different front ends, yeah. So, there we go. Then the Crimson Crasher 2. This one's more of a more modern than the other ones are. Looks straight from the front, looks straight from the back. So this one's a fully open the back. This one has like that spoiler style thing on the back. It's like a little reverse spoiler or something, I don't know. You got the sun, I forgot what's it called, sun visor or something, plastic base. The wheels look to be fine. Yes, they are. Roll test. There's a tiny wobble to the back wheel, but it's perfect. Everything is perfectly fine. Okay, that's that one. And then lastly, the Kodiak. So this one also comes with, oh, this one's more of the, if those all, the other ones that had the closed backs, those are just flat. Then this one's more of a, like a tent. You can see, so it's has the ups and down thing. I forgot what they're called. So this one has the double sided, like small and double, I don't know. I forgot. So it has the double side here, and it's a short one. So I don't know how to, double pipe, that's what you call it? I don't know. So this one comes with interesting, it's the only one with the colored base, which is plastic, and it's original. And the truck's base also is plastic. Sometimes they come with metal ones, but I believe that's more toward, actually I don't know in which cases they are like that, because I have some which are metal bases. So this one comes also with a blower. This one comes with a cool front end. I love these square body styles. We have like this heavy duty back bumper also. I forgot to check the lean. This one has a lean to the right side and a slight lean to the left side, so it's basically leaning more to this side. The wheels look, well, as you can see, this one's a bit on the wobble side. That's a bit better. And rolls perfectly well. So there you go, guys. That's the monster truck. I mean, Kings of Crunch Series 10 for you. Tell me what you think. I personally think it's fine. It's not bad. I'm still sad that I didn't get the new one, which I think was the Series 16, if I'm not mistaken. And I got only like 3 monster trucks out of that set because I was unable to get the full set. And one of them is even an error, but I found out that's an error from the factory for everybody, not only for me. But we'll have to just probably fix that on camera, or I'll fix it off camera, and that will be that. But yeah, so let's see. Let me quickly do top 3 in my opinion from these, like which one I like the most. So the most, I think I like this one. I will give the second place the one that's actually already out. And third, I might be getting to this guy. I think these are my top 3 at least. Monster trucks. But yeah. Like I said, tell me what you think if you want to. And I noticed that one of these are out. I'll have to glue that in. Yeah, it's about to break off, so I need to fix that quickly before it breaks off. So yeah, leave a like if you liked, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.